Yikes! Do you have a pipe that burst or leaking water in your house right now? Is your water heater leaking or causing flooding in your basement? When problems arise, your plumbing needs immediate attention to prevent any further water damage to your home or belongings. If you're having a plumbing emergency, give us a call immediately so we can help you as fast as possible. We specialize in local emergency plumbing repairs, and we're standing by and available to help right now. We'll arrive fast, assess the situation, and implement a quick solution to prevent any further damage to your property and restore the peace of mind that you and your family deserve. If you need fast and reliable emergency plumbing repair, look no further. Give us a call now.